Today I am talking about best share to invest for the next 3 to 5 years. The first stock is Sequent Scientific Ltd. Let's talk about stock returns. Market cap 4706, 1 year income 230%, debt 35 crores, free cash flow 75 crores, PE 95%, promoter holding 53%, ROE 2.41%, 5-year returns 95%. Stock analysis. The company is India's largest animal health company and ranked among the top 20 in the world. Unlike many other pharma companies that are in the human health business, this company into the animal health business. It has set an ambitious to become among the top 10 animal health companies in the world. 2 years in a row, IHS Markit has chosen the company as the best animal health company from India, Middle East and Africa. There are a couple of reasons that make me believe in selecting the company. The first, company has a new promoter, Carlyle, a US based private equity firm owning a 53% stake. Carlyle made the open offer in 2020 at Rs 86. The Carlyle company is a promoter has a result in the re-rating of the counter. The stock market loves PE on company as they have created good wealth for the investors. The company under new promoters is likely to move into new markets and new areas of businesses. They have dropped in Stone Haven, a niche health consulting firm for the same. The management informed that Stone Haven would help the company to expand the product range and geographical reach. With Carlyle coming in as promoter, the company's focus on US business is likely to accelerate. The company may also venture into China market, which is the second largest animal health markets globally. There is one more factor. I believe the company can be re-rated if the company announced its plans for CDMO, contract development and manufacturing organizations. Business is animals health. There are not many companies across the world that are exclusively in the CDMO animals health business. In India, companies like Divi's did extremely well in the CDMO space, but on human health. The company Vizag plant is the only plant from India which US FDA complement for API for animals health. The company restricted its business by divesting specialty chemical business and spun off human API business to a new company called Solara Active, a listed firm. The company has been reporting consistent growth every quarter. Despite challenging scenario, the company in the first 9 months of the current year reported top line growth of 50%, 15% and net profit growth of 65%. The company enjoys a higher cash flow to EBIT ratio. The company has given guidance that it should be able to maintain in the region of 75 to 80%. Due to continuous improvement in the financial ROCE of the company crossed 20%. Normally, unique company like a Sequent command higher valuation. This stock can turn out to be a multi-bagger in coming years and generate great wealth for its investors. On the basis of this data, I am expecting with this company in future it growth 270 from 900 to 1000. Our next stock is Motilal Oswal Finance Services. Let's talk about stock return. Market cap 10,338 crore. Last 1 year return 7.45%. Debt 0. PE 14.51%. Dividend 0.71%. Promoter holding 70.66%. ROE 7.45%. Last 5-year return 153%. Let's talk about stock analysis. Motilal Oswal Financial Services was founded in 1987 by Mr. Motilal Oswal and Mr. Ramdev Agarwal as a sub-broking firm. In just 3 years, Motilal Oswal became a member of the Bombay Stock Exchange (BSE). Motilal Oswal offers a wide range of financial services such as wealth management, broking, distribution, commodity broking, portfolio management services, institutional equities, private equities, investment banking and services. Motilal Oswal Financial Services is a known brand among retail and institutional investors in India, with a presence in our 1533 business locations across our 487 cities. Strong long-term fundamental strength with an average return on equity of 17.41, healthy long-term growth as a operating profit has grown by an annual rate 37.75% with a growth in net sales of 86.67. The company declared outstanding result in March 21. Stock is technically in a bullish range. Multiple factors for the stock are bullish like MACD, Bollinger Bank, KST, OBV with ROE of 29.8. It has very attractive valuation with a 2.4 price to book value over the past year. While the stock has generated a return of 46%, its profit have risen by 608.3%. On the basis of this data, I am expecting with this company it growth with 2 or 3x in 3 or 5 years in future. If this video is likely for you, please hit the like button, and if you not subscribe our channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon. And which stock is best from two of stocks, please comment. And good day.